let's get started on Tesla, guys. So I wanted to first start off with a long-term vision, guys, in terms of what Tesla's path is on, because sometimes I think that a lot of people, especially new traders, they sort of get lost in sort of the everyday notion, right? So in terms of the long-term path, guys, we are still in a macro super trend. Okay, what I mean by that is that we're just getting started on this extremely large wave 3 that's going on. If you take a look, we have a wave 1 in blue, 2 coming down for blue, all right? And then we have a large wave 3 we're still working on, okay? So if I look at an uptrend, all right, we have a wave 1 that goes up, 2 that goes down, 3 that goes up, 4 that goes down, 5 that goes up. And within that third wave, you have 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so basically we're very early. We're still here on Tesla's journey. Okay, so you can take a look. We had a 1, 2. We're still working on this red 1, red 2 coming down, guys. All right, so don't ever lose hope. Don't get stuck within the choppiness, right? Just keep focused on the long term, guys. Tesla's going to be over $1,000, $5,000 in the future. Okay, so just keep at it, and just wanted to make sure you guys are well aware of sort of that vision. All right, so let's go over sort of the shorter time frames and where we are today. Okay, so as you guys know, we're sort of in this wave 3 that happened, right? We had a double correction from my last videos, as you guys know, WXY, and we're all in with my Discord group at 324, guys. Okay, we caught the bottom at 324. And now we're waiting to see whether or not Tesla has bottomed, or we still have one more subwave to go down, okay? Now, the reason why there's 2 paths right now is because if you take the inverse fibs, all right, this level from 369 all the way up to 383, guys, this is the main algo level that's going to be extremely hard for the bulls, especially the Tesla bulls, for us to break on the first try. Okay, if you take a look at sort of the price action covered, you have resistance there. You have resistance there, okay? Think of it as sort of like a ceiling, right? We need to punch through that ceiling, and the only way to do that is that we need to keep testing this level, right? Make higher lows, higher lows. Eventually, we can break through with volume, all right? Now, in my opinion, I don't think we're going to break this on the first try, so we most likely will get rejected, dip, right? Keep going, keep going, keep going, and then eventually push through, all right? So that's sort of the price action that we're looking at. Until then, guys, anything is game. This can actually be a 4th wave, 5th wave coming down like this, guys. And this could be the 4th wave here. All right. This could be the alternate path. And the reason why that makes sense as well, okay, is because you can take a look at the indicators, guys. All right, from my last video. Right, we had this flush down. This is typical wave 3 structure. 4 coming up, 5 coming down to make a bullish divergence. Okay, 3 to 5 in red, bullish divergence here. All right, so very, very, I guess, also likely that we could get one more flush down, guys. So what does Tesla need to do? Tesla needs to hold any dip above this level, guys, at 336. All right, 336 is the main level it needs to hold above on the smaller time frames, right? If it dips below that, that's very big trouble, and will most likely come down, guys, right, to 310. Right, these levels here, 273, whatever the case may be. I have orders down here for in tranches, right? I have orders layered here, ready to go. But just know that that's sort of the main price action I'm looking at, okay? So either we need a break above the 383 level here in the blue path, right? This is going to be extreme resistance. I don't think we'll break it on the first try, so it's going to dip. And on that dip, guys, this first dip that comes down, we need to hold at least at 336 level. The blue, okay? If not, the red path is very, very likely. And you can see as well, if you take a look at XLY, this is the ETF that tracks consumer discretionary, where Tesla and Amazon are the largest holdings, right? It's on this trend line, right? It's testing this trend line on XLY, right? And we're making lower highs, guys. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. You take a look, right? This is sort of a pretty bearish sign. Okay, so that could also be a possibility. If we don't get a big bounce from here, right, we need a bounce on XLY, right? If we don't get that bounce, expect a lower high straight to 213, which will bring down Amazon, which will bring down Tesla as well. Okay, so all eyes on XLY, all eyes on Tesla, right? So just be mindful, right? But if you're a long-term investor, this doesn't really matter, guys, right? Look at the long-term path. Okay, so we're just waiting to see if we get one more flush down here and then up, right? Or if this is this is the normal path that we're on. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll update you guys every single day. See ya.